Imagine a world where soldering is done with unprecedented precision and speed. Welcome to the future of soldering with our laser soldering production line, where technology meets efficiency for flawless results. Our cutting-edge laser soldering system collects essential data, including barcode, temperature, power, and quality metrics to ensure maximum efficiency and consistently high-quality output. Experience real-time monitoring and adaptive adjustments that keep your production line agile and reliable every moment, adapting to changes and maintaining top performance without a hitch. Our advanced laser techniques deliver unprecedented precision in a variety of industries including automotive, aerospace, medical, and semiconductor sectors, ensuring optimal results across the board. Featuring unique blue laser technology, our system allows for higher absorption rates and faster heating times, significantly improving overall efficiency and redefining industry standards. Our intelligent laser soldering robots are designed for energy efficiency, consuming less power while achieving reduced heating times. This sets a new benchmark for energy utilization and sustainable operation standards. Engage in dynamic adjustments through our PC or mobile interface, ensuring that each product meets exact specifications with real-time control and precision tweaks at your fingertips. Implemented across various industries, our laser soldering systems offer unparalleled precision and quality, elevating manufacturing standards to ensure superior production outcomes.